Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I will show you how to import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your dialer app right here, and then go into Contacts, tap on the three dots and Settings. Here you will see Manage Contacts options, tap on that, and somewhere in the middle you have Import from SIM card, so let's choose that. And it shows you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card, so there's only 5 of them, and by default they're all selected. So if there's contacts that you don't want, what you want to do is just deselect them, and from there, once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on Export to Phone, and you're done now. So as you will see, now there are contacts with the SIM logo and a number 1, that's because that's where my SIM card is, in a tray 1. And then there are also same name contacts but without any kind of logo or number. Those are the ones that are on the device. Anything that has a logo of the SIM card will be located on the SIM card, and once you take it out they will disappear from here. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.